How's it going, buds and beauties? Welcome to Life of Naman, and today I'm gonna be taking a look at the AirDops 621. These are the latest and greatest from the Boat AirDops series, and they look really similar with the AirDops 441 Pro. If you haven't checked the video of the 441 Pro, I will link it in the show notes. You can check it from there. So as usual, I'm going to be taking a look at the Boat AirDops 621, and this is not the usual first impressions, but I've used like 2 days aggressively these AirDops, and then I'm putting this video out. Starting with the unboxing, and of course, you know that I'm not gonna bore you, so I'm gonna speed up the unboxing process. But the first thing you see in the box when you unbox it is the AirDops themselves. Alright, now moving on to the other items in the box, we do have a USB Type-C cable. Fortunately, in the previous earbuds that I reviewed, 511 version 2, those are latest, like it launched in 2021, but they don't have the USB Type-C. Luckily, these do have the USB Type-C cable. Now I'm gonna connect the AirDops with my smartphone. My smartphone is OnePlus 7, and do note this thing that these do connect while the earbuds are already in the case. Some AirDops or earbuds don't connect these way, but these do. So the connection process was really simple. Now I'm gonna put up the earbuds in my ears to show you how the fit is exactly of the AirDops 621. Digital meter looks really good. It takes a car from a 2006 model to a, 2006 is very old. From a 2010 model to a 2015 or a 16 model. It just looks really good, and when you pull it up, it will show the battery. It looks good, really good. I also have the Boat AirDops 441 Pro, and you can see that they look really similar in terms of the width of the case. I would say this is the same kind of case. It's just 621 case is just slightly bigger than the 441 case, but you can see that they look really identical. I mean, at the back it is not the same information. I would say it's mentioned different here, and you can check out here on the Boat AirDops 621, it's mentioned differently, but lot of similarities between these cases. They look, in terms of how they look, it's quite similar. But again, I would say that the 621 case looks really good. It's totally a good improvement over the 441 case. It's a bit bigger. You can't fit the AirDops of 621 in the 441 case or vice versa. It's not like that. It's a different case as compared to the 441 case, and again, it looks amazing. Alright, coming on to the fit test. So I'm gonna get these out of here, and yes, unlike the 511 version 2, these AirDops can be paired while they are sitting in the case itself. Really good design, and I would say that the white looks really better. I haven't seen the black ones, but the white really looks good. So I'm gonna, wow, yeah, they are really good on my ears. I would say they won't fall in the shake test, but I have to do the shake test obviously. So the shake test is coming in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm gonna also show you the 441. Here is the 441. If you can, okay, here is the 441, and here goes the 441. Yeah, quite similar. So I'm already impressed by the 621 because for me the fit is a very major issue. I mean, I have rejected like 6 to 7 earbuds just because they don't have a good fit, and I just said them they are bad. Even they also sound bad. It's not like that. It's just that the fit is all about the earbud, but I've reviewed them and their sound is also bad. I mean, I don't know, but these look good. So I mean, fit is about 50%. I mean, they have done the 50% work, they've won me 50%, but I have to see the sound quality as well and compare with the Boat AirDops 441 Pro, because the 441 Pro are my go-to from the past 2-3 months or more. I'm not sure, I mean at least 2-3 months, but yes, from the past 2-3 months I've been using only the 441 Pro. Even I have the 441, they are just sitting at the corner of some table. I just don't use them. I just use 441 Pro every time because the battery backup of 441 Pro is just crazy, man, crazy. As you can see 2600 milliampere. I don't even know if I have charged this case ever, because seriously, I don't charge this case ever. The charging case of 441 Pro is just out of this world, man. And if I can see on the 621 case, it's not mentioned how much battery does it contain, but I'm gonna check it and I'm gonna tell you here. You can see this much is the battery of the 621, and the full review is gonna go after 1 week of using them. I've had these 621 from the past 3 to 4 days, and I've been testing them very aggressively with the 511. So that is why this is not a full review, but this is just a video to show you if you should buy them or not. And 3 to 4 days is a good amount of time for me to test the earbuds, any earbud. Alright, now I'm gonna connect and check the sound quality of these earbuds. So as you can see in my list, the 621 is also mentioned. I don't know where it is, so I'm gonna connect with these. Alright, when you connect 621, and as you can see it's already connected here, so when you pair the 621 with your phone, it gives you the same sound effect that 441 Pro used to give, like tin in when they both connect. So yeah, it's just one thing that I wanted to say. So I'm gonna play one of my favorite songs at the moment. I mean, I'm gonna play the top one in my list of liked songs. So this is the song. It's an amazing song. It's a very old song actually, but it is a remix, 2021 remix, and it has a lot of bass, treble. Oh my god. Ra Ra Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. Alright, so I've listened to the Rasputin song, Rasputin, whatever you wanna call it. These are great. The 621 sounds really good, man. Seriously, the bass is good, treble is good, the mids, highs, lows, everything seems so balanced. It's a little bit trebly, I would say. If I give ratings, I would say treble is about 9 out of 10 and bass is like 8.5, a solid 8.5, and mids, highs, lows, everything is present, because this song actually has everything in it, so it gets really easy to actually judge every aspect. And yes, damn, the sound quality is really good. I actually expected a lot from the 511 version 2, the last video on my channel, but those were not good. I mean, I rated them, I guess, 6 out of 10 in sound quality. The overall sound quality was not good in that earbuds, but damn, these earbuds are awesome. And I'm getting this feeling that Boat are creating awesome earbuds that looks like this, you know. And the music is playing because I tapped the area, so I hope it stopped. So these earbuds are really good. I mean, Boat are doing a really good job in producing these type of earbuds, but they are lacking a little bit when it comes to producing the stem form of earbuds, the AirPods looking earbuds. Totally recommend them under 3000 rupees. They're a worthy competitor of the 441 Pro. 441 Pro also comes at a price of 3000 rupees. I mean, I got it for 2499, I would say, but they get at a price of 2999, and these 621 also go at a price of 2999. I mean, yeah. But these are the latest and the greatest from Boat AirDops series. They launched in March or April, I'm not sure of it, but yes, they are very latest and they are the best of the best right now, and I would suggest going for them. But again, wait for my comparison of the 441 Pro versus these, because they are a worthy competitor, but I just can't replace my daily driver with them just like that. I have to compare them for at least 2-3 days, and I have to check them which are exactly the greatest under 3000 rupees. One worthy last thing that I want to mention about the Adobe 621 is that they have this feature that they can also be used as a power bank in case of an emergency. I mean, they have only a 2600 mAh battery, so it can't replace a whole power bank like 10,000 mAh or 20,000 mAh. But even if it's like 50% charge, you can get some juice out of it in your mobile phone. And again, just an emergency power bank, a good feature that you can use in emergency only. Again, as I mentioned, that this is not the full review. The full review is totally gonna come in like I'm gonna put up the comparison video of these versus the 441 Pro first, like after 2 days, 1 day after this video goes live. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you loved this video, and if you did, thumbs up the video, share with your friends and family who might be interested to get a new pair of truly wireless earbuds. I've reviewed 10 plus earbuds. I would say it's touching 15. Yeah, I still haven't counted. It's just about 10 to 15. I mean, the number is in between that, but I've reviewed a lot of earbuds, and I will keep on reviewing more and more earbuds because I just love this technology. This technology has revolutionized how we listen to our music. And yeah, I have also lost one earbud in my bus ride. Yeah, that also happens, but this technology is great, man. You don't have to worry about wires getting in your mouth and here and there. It just is a clean way to listen to your music, accept calls, and do whatever you want to do. And even in the gym, you don't have to worry about wires. You just have to plug these in your ears, and yeah, and just forget about anything and delve into your music 100%. Yeah, that's it for this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out, bye bye, and keep washing your hands, bro.